Hey yo, welcome back to the channel once again. So today we'll be talking about how to get the short draw matches. If you guys can remember vividly, I made a video about the top 5 draw prediction leagues, and I also made a video where I predicted 2 draw matches and also correct score on all the 2, and all went through successful. So if you are someone who is interested in draw matches and as well as predicting correct score using a website, I've come across a very good website that we'll be deploying today. So stay tuned, take a cup of coffee, and let's dive into it. Bear in mind, these are my personal review, and this video is for educational purpose only. Let's go through. But before we go into that, congratulations to you guys on yesterday. If you guys go to YouTube, or for my subscribers, if you search the word mood apps right here, and then if you go to my channel, yes, if you go to my channel right here, and then you see the live over here, you can see I was live yesterday, which says best score VIP pro correct score. So yesterday I shared the best score VIP pro correct score with at least 10 people. Yes, I shared it with 10 people, and guess what? The game was successful. I will be live today exactly 12 noon, or before 12 noon. The time was not actually fixed, and then I will also come if today's prediction was posted in the Mood app. So for those of you who missed the yesterday chance over here, kindly do join today and experience it. Yes, it wasn't free, but it was something everybody can afford. And then like I always say, take risks and discover the best. So congratulations for those of you who take part yesterday. As you can see, the stream was 17 hours ago. That means the game was out a very long time. It was correct score and it went through successful. So for those of you who have been asking a bit about the bet score pro every day and all of that, I'll be live today to answer at least some questions again about it. So congratulations, I'll be showing up the winning ticket in the live and also how we got the game and all of that. Now let's go back to the main video for today. Like I said, the title is how to get short draw matches and also get free correct score and all of that. Okay, but before we dive into today's date, you can see it's 24th, and then they have their free expert predictions for today. And then we also deployed yesterday to see how good was this website yesterday. Bear in mind, the league hasn't started yet, so if you're able to find a website or an app that is giving you the investment results or a winning consistently, then you should be proud of this app. Okay, I will also be reviewing more websites so that you guys can actually pick something very good from it. Now let's jump into yesterday. What we have, first thing first, we're gonna do over here is these are the yesterday match and their tips and their scores. They haven't updated their scores, but we are going to do that straightforward for ourselves. Okay, and these are all UCL games trying. So first thing first, we're gonna do over here is to copy this game, and then we search it on Google. Go back. Now this is gonna take few minutes, but you don't really have to worry much about it because we're gonna get everything right here and right now. So here, let's just click on this to see. The prediction was home team over 1.5. Yes, I actually watched this game. They've played more than over 1.5. As you can see, the game ended with what, 4-0, which means their picks here was actually successful, right? It was over 1.5. Then they have a second game here which says away team to win. Isn't that it? The prediction is away team to win, right? Let's check that as well. Good. So you can see away team won with 2-0. Then we go back there to see the third one here, which also said away team to win. the main quarterback to win. Let's scroll down. As you can see, away team actually won with 2-0. Let's click on it. As you can see, away team won with 2-0. So let's go back. But you don't really need to stake all this game. You just need to pick one or three and then you are good to go, right? This one says home team to win, or isn't that it? More FS. So as you can see, home team win with 4-1. Then let's go. I think I'm okay. I'm okay with the website. Yes, because as you can see here, they are performing very well. This one says which team to win. Let's check it out over here. Home team won. So let's check the picks ups. It's actually home team to win. Then don't worry, if I'm too fast, I gotta come back to it and show you one by one. So let's just deploy it first to first. Why you still asking me for this? Oh, bro. Okay, away team won with 3-1, and then the last but not the least is the first one right here. Okay, let's just click on the sofa score just to see the result. Home team won with 2-1. Now these are the predictions. The first one is over 1.5, which we expected only 2 goals, but if you go here, they play 4-0, which is successful. And then the second game said away team to win, which is Sparta Prague to win. And if you click straight here, you can see the Sparta Prague winning with 2-0. You come to the third one that said away team to win, which is Korabek versus Lincoln. And if you click right here, let it load. And if you click right here, you can see Kurabek won the game with 2-0. And you go back, you see here they say more FF to win, more FF to win, and they won 4-1. Going back to this one said home team, which is of France Cavros to win. Here we go. France Cavros win with 5-0. Here is it, 5-0. And then if you go up here again, you see this one that said home team to win. Here we go again. So this was the only game that lost out of this. This was they predicted home to win and away won with 3-1. Okay, then you scroll back, and the last one, which is Abedian to win, and if you click right here, you can see Abedian win with 2-1. So actually, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, out of 7 predicting, they got 6 successful. So that gives you 99% chance of winning games. You don't need to select all their matches. You don't need to select all these 7 matches. You select less than 5. And to be sincere, if I was to be in position of selecting games here yesterday, the first game I got to select is give this team straight winning, Sparta straight winning, Kurabeg and Momo FF. These last 4 matches is what I'm going to pick over here, to be sincere. Now that was yesterday, so let's go straight to their today's prediction right here as well. So let me first of all clean off all this one. Alright, so we also have their today's predictions right here to try it out. So let me clean up all this here. I think my network is somehow down, but I got to fix it. All right, so here we go again. So today is 24th and these are their predictions. Now let me explain what this one means. It means away, win or draw no bet. That is this one. It means away to win and draw no bet. Then we have AC Akma to win, straight winning. JBTs to win. Caro versus Michael over 1.5. Egypt versus Dominican Republic. Egypt to win. France versus USA. France to win. Domina Botswana versus Seychelles. And this one is at halftime away win. So it's actually going to be first half or say away team to qualify. That's what it means. Then we have Ludogorets. So now, like I was bragging that if yesterday I was in position and got pick 4 matches, here are my 4 picks for today. The first one is the Middlebrook versus this. The second one is the AC Akma. Then I will be going for this particular one which says away team to win and Ludogorets to win. These are my 4 picks over this, and the alternative is to leave this one and go for over 1.5 over here if you were not able to find this in your broker. I hope you all get this point. So this website is one kind of good. Now let's talk about how to get the short draw out of this um website, right? That's what the title is about. But we talk about different things. Now you're gonna say I did not talk about getting draws. Okay, now these are the upcoming, so leave this side and then you can scroll down here to join the VIP if you wish. And then it is some kind of good, but you need to use the free version first to test how legit they are. But to my observation, the free tips is actually doing good. Okay, now click on home right here. Once you click on home, you got to see these all predictions we've seen earlier. Now what you are going to do over here is to scroll down and check, go to down, then you see free tips category. Now you have both teams to score, double chance over 1.5, over 1.5, over 0.5, over 2.5, draw, win either half, draw no bet. So you click on draw predictions. Now this is what you need to take note when you click on the draw prediction, right? Now these are their draw predictions for today, right? But as you always know, we're going to check down on 23rd to see how they perform, right? Now these are their draw predictions for yesterday. If they got 3 of these successful, then we are good to go. If they got 3 of these successful, then we are good to go. Then this website is going to be one of the kind, one of the best that we have come across so far. So let's just go all of them so that they will be loading. We don't need to check any other thing because we know it's talking about draw matches. So good. So now let's go to them. Click. So we got the first one, which is the draw. Now let's look at this. Home team won. Let's look at this. Flash score, give us that. Let's look at this. Away team won. Let's look at this. Away team won. So probably we have only one successful. So far so good. This is the only game that played draw. And then if you scroll down here, away team win. They've played draw. This one, away team win, awaiting win, and then awaiting win. So now these are your perspective of the app. Now you see where the app is good or where it is bad. So it is now up to you to dictate what you used in this app. The free category is down here, so yours is to try them up and see. I'll be making another video about this website tomorrow on the other half. So see you all in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on notification for more tips. And for those of you who are really interested in the best call VIP Pro Max, stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on notification, because I'll be coming live today to deploy more about the app, real or fake, and then how we got the correct score to be successful yesterday. And I know you don't want to miss that, so stay tuned. See you all in my next video.